So having gone over our labels canvas, there is one other thing in here, which is the onPaint function override. And I thought I'd make a separate video of this so it doesn't kind of get lost in the explainer. So we are using the onPaint override, which is in this menu. Now that I have it selected, it's removed from this menu. But here, if I come to this widget and do the same thing, you can see it is here on Paint. So this handles the drawing of a line from our Pi widget to the projected world location to widget screen position. And I am doing that on for each loop based on how many label markers there are in the world. So in the previous example, we obviously had 2 markers in the world. I've now thrown in a whole lot of other markers here in our world outliner, just to show you that this system is completely dynamic. So let's launch, and you'll now see that I think I've got, there's one that's spawned and then there's 6 in the world. So now we have the widgets doing their things with regard to the constraint and the boundary. I've turned on that constraint again. So you can see they're all doing their thing. They're independently updating the smaller and the medium pi based on XY position. And then if I press 1 on the keyboard, they're all attached to that other rotation variable, just to show that they are using that universal scalar in the material parameter collection. So the onPaint, which is the point of this video, I am running that for each loop, drawing the line based on the position A, X and Y to the position B, X and Y. I can affect the tint, I can nominate whether that's anti-aliased, and also the thickness. I've just left it on the defaults. And then the thing that's important is that you need to attach the completed pin to the return node. So all of that happens depending on how many markers there are in the world. Lines are drawn and continually updated on tick, and then it's returned. So I hope that video is of use. If so, please do like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive any updates. And thank you for your support.